sleep, 7 to 8 hours sleep is compulsorily needed, and it has to be in the night. So according to Ayurveda, day sleep is not allowed. Sleep in the night is compulsory. Ratri Jagarana not allowed, and Diva Swapna not allowed. Okay, now in certain conditions like deceased or children or pregnant lady, postnatal, they are allowed to sleep in the daytime, but there is a certain hours are given. The compensatory sleep is called. Okay, if you did not sleep in the night, you can sleep half time of the sleep in the daytime. If you could not sleep 5 hours in the night, you can sleep 2.5 hours in the morning before taking breakfast. That is allowed. Okay, that is allowed. But if you sleep in the daytime, automatically your channels start getting clogged. And once the body micro channels getting clogged, then you are heading into a disease. So always see that you don't sleep much in the daytime. You can take a small nap or power nap. Okay, or sitting position only can nap, but don't get into a deep sleep.